All right, FD here. Want to talk about Project 2, which is your CPD discussion reply, where you're going to go ahead and do a research search and then share there. So it's real simple. These are due typically on Wednesdays at 8 a.m. You're going to do a brief description of your research. And what you're going to do is use the topic there for that week. For example, the first one here is leadership, management, business types in the health industry. So again, go find some complementary research. We don't want to use things from the textbook, but again, if you've looked at both the CPD lectures A and B, it gives you a ton of ideas of how to get started with this being the first time. You need to do a brief description, what, how, and why, and then you need to list that reference for that research so that we can all have access to it, use it, and hopefully learn from it, and then include it in our projects as a reference, both cited and listed. Okay, again, this is due at 8 a.m. on Wednesdays, the due date. It's closed at that point, so there's no late submissions here. If you've got problems, contact me and we'll go from there. Again, you'll pick one of two options here. So let's look at the first option is you're going to just take the topic, again, leadership, management, business types here. For example, with the first one, you wanted to use complementary research from outside resources other than the textbook. They need to be credible. They need to be non-political also, okay? We don't want to bring politics, your politics, into the class, but obviously we want to bring in new and credible information. Again, to get the 4 points, 2 of them is providing that what, why, and how it applies. Real brief with the discussion, and then right after that, then list the reference using proper APA style there. Or you can do the other option is to again take that discussion topic and connect it to health law and things that we can apply to the design of our businesses in the health industry. Again, provide a description of what, why, and how it applies, and then the reference, list that reference APA style there. Again, 2 points for each of them. 4. It should be real easy, but get in the routine of doing this after each of the CPD's continuing professional development lectures. And then we can, again, lastly, ask questions. You'll see if you've got a question, you want to present that, because typically if you've got one, then someone in the class has that also, and I can reply and get access to everyone there. So it's a way for us to have some communication here with this remote learning that's accessible to everyone. Thanks.